Federal Funding Made Easy, Grants.gov walkthrough. Applying for federal funding opportunities through Grants.gov involves several steps. Here's a comprehensive guide. Number 1. Understanding Grants.gov. Familiarize yourself with Grants.gov, the central website for finding and applying for federal agents. Understand its purpose, the types of grants available, and the agencies that offer them. Number 2. Registration. Create an account on Grants.gov. Visit the website www.grants.gov and click on the Applicants tab. Click on Get Registered and follow the instructions to create a username and password. Complete the necessary information including your organization DUNS number and some registration status or system for award management. Number 3. Search for grant opportunities. Log in to your Grants.gov account. Use the search function to find grant opportunities that match your organization's mission and goals. Narrow down your search using filters such as funding agency, eligibility, and keyword. And hey, if you want to hasten your grant opportunities, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Number 4. Review grant opportunity details. Once you find suitable grant opportunity, carefully review the details, including the funding amount, eligibility criteria, application deadline, and required documents. Take note of any specific instructions or requirements outlined in the grant announcement. Number 5. Download application package. After selecting a grant opportunity, download the application package by clicking on the Package tab. Ensure that you have all the necessary forms and documents included in the application package. Number 6. Complete application forms. Open the downloaded application package and fill out all required forms thoroughly and accurately. Pay close attention to instructions, formatting guidelines, and any specific questions or prompts. Number 7. Compile required documents. Gather all required supporting documents such as budgets, project narratives, letters of support, and organizational certifications. Ensure that all documents meet the formatting and submission requirements specified in the grant announcement. Number 8. Submit application. Once you have completed all application forms and compiled all necessary documents, return to Grants.gov and log into your account. Click on Apply for Grants and follow the prompts to upload your completed application package. Review your submission carefully to ensure that all required materials are included and that there are no errors. Number 9. Track application status. After submitting your application, you can track its status through your Grants.gov account. Monitor any communications or updates from the funding agency regarding your application. Be prepared to respond to any requests for additional information or clarification. Number 10. Award notification. If your application is successful, you will receive a notification from the funding agency. Follow any instructions provided to accept the grant award and fulfill any post-award requirements. Number 11. Post-award administration. Once awarded, ensure compliance with all terms and conditions outlined in the grant payment. Manage funds responsibly, track project progress, and submit any required progress reports or financial documentation as specified by the funding agency. By following these steps, you can successfully navigate the process of applying for federal funding opportunities through Grants.gov. Remember to carefully read and adhere to all instructions provided by the funding agency to maximize your chances of success. Your support means the world to me, and I am truly thankful for the opportunity to connect with such an incredible community. Remember, life is an adventure filled with ups and downs, twists and turns, but it is also overflowing with beauty, love, and endless possibilities. No matter what challenges you may face, always hold on to hope and know that brighter days are ahead. So as you close this chapter and embark on the next leg of your journey, carry with you the knowledge that you are capable, you are worthy, and you are loved. Together, let us continue to spread kindness, positivity, and joy, lighting up the world with our collective light. Thank you for being a part of this amazing journey. Until we meet again, may your days be filled with laughter, your hearts with love, and your spirits with boundless joy. Take care, stay blessed, and never forget how truly special you are. Goodbye for now, and see you soon.